Okay, here is waterfall number 10 for this week. This would be what they call the upper falls on the, what are we on? Brule. The Brule River. Kind of goes down into a pool and some rapids. Getting some nice spray off of this one too. Be interesting to see when this one was a little slower. This is a spawning trout stream, and I'm gonna guess that the trout don't try to jump and swim up this when it's doing that, but when it's slower, I bet you can see trout trying to swim up it, which would be really cool. This is the upper falls. The next one that we'll have, number 11, that'll be Devil's Kettle, they call it. And I'll explain why when we get there.